What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to show web references for ChatGPT answers to help you find out where the AI-generated information is coming from. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To ensure that ChatGPT is using the internet to support its answers and to show the corresponding references, you can make use of a browser extension for Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. All links and resources for this tutorial will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. Add this WebChatGPT browser extension to your list of installed extensions. When this is done, you can head to chat.openai.com and start chatting with ChatGPT. By default, you will see that the language model will use current web search results to answer your question. It will, in addition, show you the references for its findings. When clicking on the reference, it will open the specific page where the information was found. This is possible because the browser extension is writing elaborate prompts to get this information sourced and presented in this particular way. You might have noticed that you have some options to play with under your chat box. The Search on Web option can be disabled when chatting with ChatGPT. You can also change the amount of search results the response should include, and from which time frame and region these results should be generated from. I suggest changing these settings according to the question or answer you have in mind. If you wish to remove this browser extension, head to your extensions. Right-click the extension or click on the burger menu and select Remove from Chrome. All of these steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.